What?
Guess who's back to teach you about more nature, baby? Woo!
Okay.
Ow! That's not how you nature.
We found another part of the trail.
More nature.
This time we don't have Tom or the bullfrog with us, but you know.
Half stretch. Place both hands on post. Bend left leg. Keep right leg straight. Keep heels flat on the ground. Wait. Push hips forward until there's tension in the calf.
Oh my god. Okay. Sensor. Oh, bugs. Oh.
Okay, it's
Alright.
really inappropriate.
Yeah.
Pornography exercises.
Oh my god. What is this?
Nature.
No, this thing right here.
Nature.
Okay.
Apple tree. This farm road once led to the farmhouse and barn into the fields and pastures. The road was most likely used to carry
I don't see no
fertilizer and
apples.
seed into the fields in the spring and crop back the barn. That's enough reading.
I don't see no apples.
Me either.
Alright.
Chicken strips.
Oh god. Let's see what's down this trail. I forgot what my accent was for this video. Okay. Yellow mark on that tree over there that you can't see because the cameraman's too shaky.
Where? Oh,
Right ahead of us.
You know what that means?
What does it mean?
Test dummy crashed the car there.
Oh god. Rest in peace. As
Rip in peace. Oh, more exercise.
I said, rest in pieces. Watch out for rocks and things in the nature. Alright.
Upper hamstring stretch. Lift. I'm gonna take my bag off for this one so I don't land on a bunch of tools. Lift right leg. Grasp with. Wait, that's my left leg. Grasp with. Hold on, gotta pull the old pants up.
Ah, mosquito, go away.
Pull left leg toward. What? Right leg. Oh, pull leg towards chest. Repeat with left leg. Stand with legs slightly wider apart than shoulders. Place right hand over your head. Place left hand on your waist. Slowly bend to the left with your right arm going to your head. No, over your head.
Bird, do you mind? Okay, carry on. Gee, that actually looks painful.
Nice
I don't know.
stretched out. It did kind of hurt. my back cracked.
We can go this way, I guess. I don't know which way this goes. Down the long skinny path.
Down there, you see the old timber on the ground.
Timber. Timber, dimber, dimber.
Fucking tonsil unzipped again.
Lordy Lou, it's all. Oh!
Spearmint leaves. They are used in the making of this gum.
Okay, not sponsored. Drops down my neck. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay. I just did a split.
It's Satan hair.
Satan hair.
That's why it's so red and not washed.
Great.
Hamstring stretch. Place right foot on top of post. Lean forward over knee. Oh, this is like the one I was sitting on the bench. Lean forward over knee of raised leg. Oh shit.
Ah, bugs everywhere. Oh my
You
god.
missed that. My foot slid across.
No, I got it. There's just bugs everywhere.
Okay, repeat with left leg. Oh my god. So slippery. Alright, we're good.
Alright.
Invisible movers. What, like UPS? I mean,
UPS.
it's here.
Before you get me wet.
Here's this one. I don't even know. Give me a minute. Can you study it? Oh, this here is a fuzzy fir leaf.
A fuzzy fur leaf. Oh. Rain! Oh, hi. Oh. Okay, I guess we're going straight. Okay, or not. I don't know which way we're going.
The old field. You mean to tell me this was all farmland? I don't believe it.
I don't know how you grow trees in farmland that had the trees cut down to be farmland.
cash crops, trees. I sell oxygen.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh. Ah! Oh, yikes. Oh! I look up for 2 seconds, and there's a mosquito coming out of my face. It scares me. Okay, let me...
There's a net tree.
A nut tree. Perfect for preventing people from jumping
This is where
babies.
babies are made.
Oh, yeah. Good reference to the first one. Ah, mosquito! Watch out for mosquitoes going to get Lyme disease. We should probably run. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, there's a bridge here. Hello. I just run away from mosquitoes. Because, like, that was, like, the biggest cluster of them I've seen.
It's called the Natural Nature Pit. Let the spinner guide us.
Okay. Oh, God. I'm going to fidget spinner into the tags. It's going to end up...
Viral.
Yeah.
Okay, it's taking too long. I gotta slow down. Oh, shit.
Put my hood
It
on.
says that way.
Okay. Oh, I know where this is. I know where we're going. Okay.
You told you fidget spinner's always right. Dead trees on the I'm missing a chromosome. I can't read.
Like, favorite, comment, and subscribe if you hate mosquitoes. Oh my god.
We find a nature stripper, Paul. What you do is you hop up here. Oh, it's so nature. So then, see, this is from global warming. That's why it's so loose. So what you do is you jump from here onto the pole without hitting your nutsack. See, I'm not a professional stripper, so I did a fireman slide.
Nature Club's gone, man. It's that right there. Now it's all broken.
That's where Andrew was. We haven't been here in so long that little kids have tampered with this.
Those are the walls.
Knife is. This is where all the stuff was in the dark on. Where we are again. Andrew! I'm scared to walk with the camera in my hand now. Oh my god, okay. This is scary. Okay, now I see my cut. Well, I'm trying to walk without slipping. Like Connor, I'm scared now. Oh my god, okay.
Here's nature. We got some bears. In the bear den. We're also inside of a tree. Some knocker stairs.
Saw some maggots.
I really hope it was.
Birds. Oh my god, okay. Turning shoe sideways is not a good idea. We're just gonna watch out for the last 2 tiles.
Yeah.
Otherwise we're gonna slide all the way down. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared, mommy. Okay. Nature club where we're deciding to stand because it's too wet.
Yep, since the last nature club's all torn down, there's a new one under a giant bird's nest.
Yep, up in the sky.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a leak in our nature club.
This is where we put all our nature clips together. Let's look at Seward Range. Seward Range, right over there apparently. Mount Morris. Right there that you can't see because the rain's overnight.
Oh god, I was wearing boots last night.
Woo! Jeremiah, film me.
What?
I might fall, so just film me.
Is it already recording? Oh yeah.
Alright, give me. My ass is wet.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right now. Dude, are you doing a flip? No, I'm not, definitely not doing a flip. Too fast for that.
Good job.
Here's where we will conclude our nature tour for today. On the lake. Give me your eyes so I can show the lake.
Okay. Please don't drop my phone in there. I will murder you.
Okay, Casey does drop it. Hold on,
This
Well,
here,
that's not my real phone.
this here is the heart of nature.
Let me hold your phone.
Credits. Andrew is nature man. Jeremiah is bullfrog. Ben is cameraman.
And I'm owner of the channel.
You rock my world.
There you go.